A very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Divyansh Prajapati and I am BTech final year student of Department of Civil Engineering, University of Lucknow. So today's my seminar presentation is on the preparation of concrete from Goldmine Waste. So let me tell you about my topic and its content. In this content regarding this, we have introduction, scope of reference, study, objectives, methodology, conclusion and its further scope. So let me come to the introduction part. So concrete is a widely used material all over the world. Based on the global usage, it is after the second place after the water. The most commonly used fine aggregate is natural sand or pit sand. The global consumption of natural sand is very high due to extensive use of concrete. Gold ore tailings are the one of the primary waste product of the mining operations, and they comprise of fine grained particles of the parent rock from which the ore is extracted. The disposal of the material is a major environmental problem for the mining industry. So in the study part, the concrete of M20 grade was obtained from the mixture of which were modified by partially replacing river sand and with gold oil tailings. So the property of concrete is flesh and hard in state and examined are workability and strength respectively. The strength of the concrete was evaluated in terms of compressive, flexural, splitting and tensile strength. In this present study, the local aggregate is fully replaced by gold mine waste in preparation of concrete, which are not influenced on the fresh and hardened state properties. So the things we are going to study is the cost optimization by using gold mine waste and the use of gold mine waste as a replacement for the natural sand, and the gold ore tailings as a replacement of cement in mortar, and the gold mine waste coarse aggregate can be used in the pavement constructions. So let me come to the another slide. So we talk about the objectives. The chemical analysis of the gold waste course is our first objective. Second objective is to study the physical properties of the gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate, and to study the fresh state properties of concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate, to study the strengthening properties of the concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate, to study the durability property of concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. So I will come to the another slide. So if we talk about methodology, the two methodologies we use here is the first is mixing and second is casting. So mixing is the manual procedure and the casting is done to the cube specimen of 150 mm cube, and the beam of specimen 100 into 100 into 500 mm we use. Now I will talk you about the conclusion part. So to conclude this argument, when we performed various types of experiment regarding this, so we have seen the several conclusions. So let me talk about the conclusion. The first conclusion is the specific gravity of both locally available and GMW concrete coarse aggregate means gold mine waste coarse aggregate are same in but variation in fineness modulus and bulk density. Due to the manual crushing GMW coarse aggregate, the water absorption of the GMW coarse aggregate is higher than the local aggregate. Second conclusion, GMW coarse aggregate are stronger as compared to local coarse aggregate. This evident from the result of crushing value of both the aggregate. And the third conclusion, if we come, the workability of local and GMW coarse aggregate is nearly same in terms of lump. And the another conclusion, which is last conclusion, is for M20 and M40 grade concrete, the compressive strength of both control and GMW concrete are exceeded the targeted mean strength. The compressive strength of GMW concrete is higher than the control concrete, and the relation between 7 and 28 days compressive strength is agreement with various researchers. And now we talk about its further scope, future scope. In future, we can see like cost optimization by gold mine waste and the use of gold mine waste as a replacement to natural sand, and gold mine tailings as a replacement of cement in mortar, and gold mine waste coarse aggregate can be used in the pavement construction. So this is the part